Okay, you've totally seen these guys, right? The faceless AI gurus that are just everywhere on your feed. They're dropping these profound bits of wisdom and just raking in millions of views. It feels like they just popped up out of thin air, building these huge audiences basically overnight. Well, guess what? Today, we're diving in deep. You're about to get the keys to the entire kingdom.
And it all kicks off with quotes exactly like this one. Simple, powerful. It has that ancient wisdom vibe that just hits you, right? But listen, this isn't just some random content. Oh no, this is the engine behind a whole new digital gold rush. And the best part, I'm going to show you how to build that engine from the ground up.
And look, when I say gold rush, I am not kidding. We are talking millions, and I mean millions of views. Insane engagement. The power to build a legitimate brand for free. This isn't some maybe in the future trend. Nope. It is happening right now, and believe me, the door is wide open for anyone who's ready to jump on it.
So I want you to forget all the guesswork. Forget the trial and error that just wastes your time. In this explainer, I am handing you the complete, step-by-step blueprint. I'm talking the exact tools, the exact prompts, and yeah, the exact secrets you need to create your own viral AI guru. And get this, all of it uses free tools that you can start playing with, like today.
But hold on, here's the twist. Because, other tutorials, they show you the basics, sure. But what they don't tell you is how to fix the biggest, most annoying problem of all. That weird, glitchy, face-melting thing that just screams, "This is so fake." Well, today, we fix that for good. You are about to get the hacks that literally nobody else is talking about.
All right, you ready? Let's start building this thing. First things first, a successful AI guru isn't just a happy accident. No way! It's a carefully engineered identity, a persona that's built from the ground up for authority and appeal. It all starts with crafting that perfect character.
And of course, we're not just going to guess our way through this. We are going to use a secret weapon. It's a custom model inside ChatGPT, and it's called the Guru Shortmaker, GPT. Seriously, this thing is like your creative co-pilot. It automates the entire foundation for you. We're talking the character, the setting, even the video scripts, and it does it all in just a few seconds.
Okay, so once you're inside this GPT, you get to be super precise, almost like a surgeon. You define the age, the ethnicity, to make them relatable. You specify exactly what they're wearing, maybe some luxury attire, like a jalamiya, to give off that high status vibe. You can even place them in an elite environment, like sitting in the back of a Rolls Royce. See, this isn't just about creating a character. It's about building a whole aura of wealth and wisdom, something that audiences just can't help but be drawn to.
Okay, persona is locked and loaded. Now it's time to actually bring your guru to life. This is the visual creation part of the process, and I gotta tell you, getting this base image absolutely perfect, well, it is the single most critical step if you want to avoid those awful glitches down the line.
The process itself is actually pretty simple. We're going to use a tool like Leonardo AI or maybe Nano Banana too. Now, here's the first rule, and it's totally non-negotiable. You have to set your aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the magic number for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Once that's set, you generate a photorealistic face. Remember, the more real this base image looks, the better your final animation is going to be.
Pay attention, because this right here, this is the secret sauce. This is how you prevent that horrible face-melting glitch. Your base image absolutely must have a neutral, closed mouth. The eyes, they've got to be looking straight into the camera, making direct contact. And the person in the image has to be completely still, not moving at all. I'm telling you, if you break any of these rules, you are taking a one-way trip straight to the uncanny valley, and nobody wants that.
Okay, so you've got the look down, you've got the aura. Now it's time for the final, crucial piece of the puzzle, giving your guru a voice. And not just any voice, a voice that isn't just heard, but is actually believed. This, my friends, is where we get into the really game-changing secrets to making this thing sound hyper-realistic.
So, to animate the static image, we'll use a tool like Kling AI or maybe Flow AI. Honestly, this part's pretty straightforward. You just upload the image and poof, you let the AI do its thing. But the real magic, the stuff that sets you apart, happens when we start fine-tuning the audio.
Okay, lean in, because here is secret number 1. Seriously, you might want to write this down. The perfect optimal text-to-speech speed is 0.8, not 1, not 0.9. It's 0.8. Why? Because setting the speed to this exact number keeps the mouth from moving too fast. It gives you that calm, natural, and perfectly synced up delivery. I'm telling you, this one tiny setting is the difference between looking like an amateur and a total pro.
And that brings us to secret number 2, which is all about emotion. So when you're generating your voiceover, let's say in a tool like 11 Labs, you can actually use their new 11v3 model to stick these little expressive tags right into the script. So by adding a simple tag, like just typing sigh in brackets, you're not just making the AI talk, you are directing an emotional performance. And it makes the AI sound so human, it's actually kind of scary.
Okay, so now you have the entire technical blueprint. But here's the thing, making a technically perfect video, that's not enough, not even close. Now we need to talk strategy. We need to get into the psychology of it and tackle the single biggest roadblock every single AI influencer runs into, something I call the AI trust paradox.
I like to call it the Stoic machine paradox, and it's basically this internal conflict that your audience is feeling. Because on one hand, they're really drawn to that calm, logical wisdom your AI guru is sharing. But on the other hand, there's this deep-down, gut-level skepticism about taking advice from something that isn't human. And no amount of technical perfection is going to fix that. Only smart strategy will.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. The data backs this up completely. Research shows that, yeah, we trust human influencers a lot, but that trust level takes a nosedive for AI influencers. And here's the crazy part. Sometimes telling people it's AI actually makes them trust it even less. Wild, right? That's the trust gap you're up against.
So, how do you beat it? Well, you have to understand what wisdom really means on social media today. See, ancient Stoicism, that was this super complex system of logic and physics. But TikTok Stoicism, it's different. It's been boiled down to a powerful vibe, an aesthetic of calmness, of discipline, of productivity. That is the emotional need that you are tapping into.
So, let's wrap it all up. Here is your final blueprint for going viral. Step 1, engineer that perfect high-status persona. Step 2, create the glitch-proof 9:16 visual. Step 3, animate it in a tool like Kling AI. Step 4, absolutely master the voice using that 0.8 speed hack and those emotional tags. And finally, and this is the most important part, you script for calmness and productivity, not for some deep philosophical debate.
And there you have it, the complete formula. You've got the tools, you've got the techniques, you've got the strategy to build a genuine viral machine right from scratch. You now have the power to engineer wisdom that can literally reach millions of people. So the only question I have for you is, what wisdom is your AI going to share with the world?